Why? Because you are not doing 2001 PV in the entire month. Your total PV for the entire month is just 1000 PV. So one more 1001 PV is missing. Since 1001 PV is missing, so you'll be called as 11% and not qualified bronze director. I hope you got this. ये बात समझ में आ चुकी है आप लोगों को. आपका टोटल पीवी है 5500 और उस मंथ का पीवी हाई 1000. So in a month it should be 2001 PV minimum. Then only you will be called as a qualified bronze director for the month. This PV you can get from repurchase. This PV you can get from new logins. This PV you can get from your self purchase. Any way is possible. Let me repeat. In the last month my level was my total PV where मेरा total PV था 4500. ऐसा 4500 वे में total PV in the month, in the last month. ऐसा no. This month I did 1000 new PV from repurchase, from new logins, from everything together. My 1000 PV came as fresh PVs in the month of September. You might think, yes, I have done 5500 PV in a total. Sir, I become bronze director? You just became 11%. You're not a qualified bronze director. You know why? Because qualified bronze director condition says 2001 PV हमें मिनिमम करना पड़ेगा उस महीने के अंदर. अब आपने किया, आपका 2001 PV नहीं होके, आपका सिर्फ खाली 1000 PV होके. You have just done 1000 PV rather doing 2001 PV. So you will be called as 11% and not qualified bronze director. I saw no. I hope you got this now. Right. So some person asked me a question. When I did bronze director monthly, I do 2001 PV. So you are qualified bronze director for the month every month. So every month you are a qualified bronze director, which I'll be like showing you the conditions in the further this thing. Right. I hope you got this condition. The moment you become qualified bronze director, you'll be getting bronze director bonus. If you're not a bronze director, you will not get this bronze director bonus. You'll just get something called as performance bonus. 11% cashback you'll get. If in your team some difference are there, based on the difference, you get the differential check. If no difference are there, then that check will go zero, and only you'll be keep getting the cashback income of 11%. And bronze director bonus will not get activated. Why? Because you're not qualified director for the month. And this money only get distributed among the people who are qualified bronze directors. जो लोग qualified bronze director अपना करते हैं, मतलब मिनिमम 2001 पीवी करना पड़ेगा पूरे एंटायर महीने के अंदर. हमें 11% के साथ साथ हमें 2001 पीवी हमें टोटली मेंटेन करना है. हमें ऐसा हो. It's not like that कि 5500 plus 2001 PV. Not like that. Not like 7000 PV and all. Along with that only you have to maintain minimum the entire month PV should be 2001. I hope you got the qualified the condition for the bronze director. Shazia is asking, is it like only 1 month I have to maintain 2001 PV or it should go on? Yes, I'm about to explain the further slides. Right. I'll give you the question and answer session. That moment you can ask me. Because if you ask now only, you might be always having a doubt. So let me complete my talk. Then I'll give you the time. There you can easily get your doubts clear on time. Yes or no? So little bit of patience. I'm about to complete my talk. Right. So this was the basic condition. Sir, after bronze director, what comes? After bronze director comes silver director. When will I become silver director? You will become silver director when you are having one bronze director in the leg and you're maintaining the side leg of 1801 PV. Side leg. Okay. That is the basic condition. Bronze director matlab 2001 PV. Side leg is equal to 1801 PV. And your self PV will be also added in the side leg itself. If you become a qualified bronze, if you become a silver director, you get new incomes. New incomes get activated. What are those? First income is called as a business building bonus, which will be of 14% of the company turnover. And the point factor रहेगा 0.83. ऐसा no. One more income आपकी activate हो जाती है, उसे बोलते हैं leadership overriding bonus, जहाँ पे आपको 16% का कंपनी का टर्नओवर मिलेगा, and the point factor will be 2.42. And one more income get activated that's called as a travel fund, which will be of 5% of the company turnover, and the point factor will be multiplying factor will be 0.33. So this is a basic condition to become like silver director, and what incomes get activated. These three incomes get activated when you become silver director. Yes or no? For LOB, there's some terms and condition. If you are doing that, then only you are eligible. And for business building bonus and trial fund, there's no terms and condition. The only terms and condition is you have to just become a qualified silver director. आप क्वालिफाइड सिल्वर डायरेक्टर हो, आपका बिजनेस बिल्डिंग बोनस, आपका ट्रायल फंड हमेशा मिलता रहेगा आपको. बट टू गेट LOB, one special condition is there, which will say you later. Yes or no? Did you got this, guys? Very simple it is. One director, side like 1801, so you are a qualified silver director for the month and you get all these incomes. Moving on further, after gold comes what? After gold comes the new tag called as a gold director. After silver comes gold director. Gold director में क्या होता है condition? In gold director, you need to be having 2 bronze director in the front leg, not one below the other. If you're having one person is already a director in your group, one more person got below him only, you are not a gold director, you are still a silver director only. If you want to become a gold director, then your 2 directors, bronze directors should be in the front leg, in your separate legs. Then you will be called as a qualified gold director, and the side leg should be 1500 1501 PV. 1501. It should be 1 PV. It should not be 1500. It should be 1501 PV. If you miss 1 PV, you lost your level. So make sure that it is 1501 itself. It's not 1500. Some people in urgency they do 1500 and they leave expecting that their qualified gold director happen. No, you miss 1 PV. Next day in the morning when you check, you'll be showed as a non-qualifying director. You might be shocked. So what happened? I maintain my level, but company says you miss 1 PV to maintain. So you are non-qualifying director for the month. Getting not right. ठीक है? So which कौन सी income यहाँ पे activate हो जाती है? You get one more income. The moment आप gold बन जाते हो, तो आपके लिए एक नई income चालू हो जाएगी. उसका नाम है multiple LOB. उसका नाम है multiple LOB income get activated when you become a gold director. Yes or no? When you become silver director, your LOB income get activated. When you become gold, your multiple LOB income will get activated. The day we will be taking a LOB session, in that we're gonna talk in detail about what is LOB and what is multiple LOB and what are the different terms and conditions in that. So as of now, you have to just remember, when I become gold, I get multiple LOB. When I become silver, I get LOB. That's it. As of now, अब इतना ही आप जाके remember करो, बस काफी है. Right. The next level of prestige is after gold director में क्या आता है? Next आता है आपका star director. Star director में क्या होता है? You need to have 3 bronze director in the front leg and you have to maintain a side leg of 1001 PV. 3 director मतलब 001, 2001 plus 2001 plus 201, all front legs plus side leg of 1001 PV. Then you are a star director. The moment आप जब star director बन जाते हो, a new income get activated that is called as a car fund, and car fund income will be of 5% of the company turnover and the point factor will be 0.45. The moment the next tag is diamond director. When will you become director? When you'll be having 4 bronze director in the front leg and you are maintaining 501 PV as a side leg. Then you become something called as a diamond director. Next tag is called as a crown director. When you become crown director, when you'll be having 6 directors in the front leg and 0 PV in the side leg. From now onwards, no side leg at all. 0 it is. So you have been free from the side leg. Side leg के लिए आपसे आपका 0 हो जाएगा. Right. So a new income get activated that is called as a house fund, and house fund will be of 3% of the company turnover with the point factor will be 0.45. So always when you observe, your car fund and the house fund will be always the same. It will be always equal or it might go up and a bit like fractions. That's it. Yes or no, but majority time it will be same only. So when you become crown director, ये होता है. Right. Next level is called as a universal crown director. When you become that, when you will be having 8 bronze directors in the front leg and side leg is 0 now by default. So next tag is called as a double crown director. When you'll be having 12 directors in the front leg and right, you'll be called as a DCD. That's called double crown director. And one more income get activated that is called as a elite bonus, which will be of 2% of the company turnover and the point factor will be 0.63. Or it might vary to 0.65, 63, 60. That depends. Yes or no? After that, one more level is there called as a double crown director. When you'll be having 16 bronze director in the front leg, you'll be called as a double crown, double universal crown director, DUCD. And this is the highest level in Vestige. After this, there is no more level in Vestige. This is the max and the highest level. Getting or not, guys? So I hope you got to know what are the different levels in Vestige? Yes or no? There are totally how many levels? There are totally 13 levels are there. 5%, 8%, 10%, 11%, bronze, silver, gold, diamond, crown, UCD, DCD, and DUCD. I think आपको समझ आ चुका है. What are the different levels and on which level what income get activated? Yes or no? You have to just remember bronze director क्या condition होता है? 2001 PV, that's it. और उतना कर लो तो आप qualified bronze director and आपका चलता रहेगा. In this, do you have any doubts? In this, in levels, do you have any doubts? Only in the levels. I'll be telling you the conditions after that. Only till now, did you have any doubt in this? Bronze director क्या होता है sir? Silver क्या होता है? Gold, diamond, star क्या होता है? I think this much you have got now. इतना तो आपको समझ में आ चुका है आज. Levels के बारे में इतना रख लो और बाकी का मैं बताऊंगा आपको. Side क्या होता है? I have further explanation. Fight and first time when you're qualifying for the bronze director, what is the condition? ये सब बताने वाला हूँ. So one person has a doubt. The person is Parvez Ahmed. Sir, bronze director के बारे में बता दीजिए. Okay. Right. So I'll just unmute Parvezi and then you can ask me that what doubt you have. आपका क्या doubt है आप बता सकते हो. Yakub, you can just give me the backend support.
Hello, good morning, Lias sir. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, audible.
सर अभी आपने जो बताया ना मींस डायरेक्टर टैक्स के बाद भी अब एक लेग में एक और लेग में जो है आपको 1501 मान लो एग्जांपल में एक गोल्ड डायरेक्टर बन गया. मान लो मेरी डाउन लाइन में 2 लोग फ्रंट लाइन में 2 डायरेक्टर्स हैं तो उसके अलावा भी एक और लेग मेंटेन करना है क्या?
साइड लेग मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा आपको. 1500 वाला 1501 पीवी आपको साइड लेग मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा. साइड लेग आप नए लेग से बना लो या सेल पीवी से कर लो या 3-4 लेग जोड़ के आप जाके साइड लेग कर लो. 500 कर लो, सब चलेगा. 500 is equal to 1.5 ऐसा नो. when you have only like 2 legs या एक ही लेग से
ओके
ऐसा नो.
थैंक यू सो मच.
या खुद if there is no leg then you can do it from a self PV only. That also is possible.
Okay,
वो भी कर सकते हो. There is no doubt about that.
Thank you so much, sir.
Guys, have any other doubts? Anybody else have any other doubts? One second. Anybody has any doubts now? I hope you got this. I'm audible. आवाज आ रही है? Now? Yes, thank you so much. So I hope you got the basic condition about becoming the different levels and all. Regarding the bronze director, I already told you, you have to have 2001 PV in the entire month. Yes or no? Right, 2001 PV. If you're 11%, along with that, you should be having minimum 2001 PV in the entire month. Yes or no? If you have that much, then you are a qualified bronze director for the month. Yes or no? Right. If you're already 11%, then आपको 2000 PV मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा. या आप 10% पे हो, आप 2000 PV ऐड करने के बाद आपका 5500 PV हो रहा है टोटली, still you are a bronze director. Yes or no? If you are at 2000, your PVs are 2500, you are doing 2000 PV now. Your total PV of 4500. You are not a bronze director now. Why? Because you have not reached 11%. आपको 11% के साथ आपको 2000 PV आपको जोड़ना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आप डायरेक्टर बनते हो, क्वालिफाइड डायरेक्टर. ऐसा हो. So minimum your total PV should be 5500. In that 2001 PV should be from the 1 month. Then you'll be calling as a bronze director. I hope Faraji has got the answer. Right. So moving on further, guys, and इसके बाद हम साइड लेग के बारे में बात करेंगे. For example, आज मैंने ज्वाइन किया, ऐसा हो, तो मैं बन जाऊंगा ब्रॉन्ज डायरेक्टर. ऐसा हो. Let me assume I open 6 legs. मेरे 6 लोगों के अंदर nobody is a director. If the entire group is doing 2001 PV, I'll be called as a bronze director, qualified bronze director. Let it come from 300 into 6, 1.8k. If I'm doing self PV as like 200, I'm still a qualified bronze director. Getting or not? Or I'm getting 1000 PV from leg 1 1000 PV from leg 2, remaining all legs are 0, still I am a qualified bronze director. Yes or no? So doesn't matter at the bronze director level, let the PV come from any group, because all group will be called as the exclusive leg, because nobody has reached to 11% over there. जब तक ये लोग अपना 11% तक नहीं आएंगे, या जब तक लोग अपना क्वालिफाइड ब्रॉन्ज राइडर नहीं करेंगे, तब तक आपके लिए दिक्कत, आपको टेंशन की बात ही नहीं. Let it be 8 legs, 10 legs, let it be 12 legs. Right, from wherever the PV comes, that will be counted for you only and will be called as a, but your total PV should be 2001 to qualify as a bronze director. सब जोड़ जाड़ के आपका PV आ रहा है 1800 PVs, you are not a qualified bronze director because 200 is missing. So that 200 you need to do it, and this can get from repurchase, नए लॉगिन्स के थ्रू आप निकाल सकते हो, या खुद सेल PV से भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो, सब कुछ होगा. आपका 2001 PV, आपको सिर्फ खाली कंडीशन क्या है, 2001 PV मेंटेन करोगे तो आपका हमेशा डायरेक्टर आपका बना रहेगा. Second condition now, sir, if somebody become qualified bronze director in my downline, a person called one, he did 2001 PV, he is 11% plus he did 2001 PV, so he'll be called as a qualified bronze director. Then that moment you need to maintain the side leg compulsory now, because you will be called as a silver director. and आप सिल्वर डायरेक्टर बन गए तो सिल्वर डायरेक्टर वाला आपको कंडीशन मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, वो रहेगा साइड लेग ऑफ 1801, वन क्वालिफाइड ब्रॉन्ज डायरेक्टर प्लस साइड लेग ऑफ 1801. So here you are already having one qualified bronze director called 2001 PV, and आपको साइड लेग का बनाना पड़ेगा, वो साइड लेग रहेगा आपका 1801 PV. Let it come from leg 2, leg 3, leg 4, leg 5, leg 6, adding together it should be minimum 1801 PV. Let it be double PV, let it be actual PV, let it be anything, that will be counted. Double PV also will be counted for the side maintenance. Yes or no, guys? Okay. And your cell PV is also made. Example, my total PV were 1701. I did my cell PV as 100 PV, so total it is how much? 1801. तो आपका सेल PV भी आपका साइड लेग में ही काउंट होता है हमेशा के लिए. जब भी आप साइड लेग करते हो, आपका सेल PV भी आपका साइड लेग में ही काउंट होगा. आपका 1701 PV है, आपने सेल PV के 100, टोटल कितना हो गया 1801. सो यू आर क्वालिफाइड सिल्वर डायरेक्टर फॉर द मंथ. दैट वाज सिल्वर डायरेक्टर. नेक्स्ट थिंग कॉल्ड गोल्ड डायरेक्टर. गोल्ड डायरेक्टर में होता क्या है? 2001 टू क्वालिफाइड ब्रॉन्ज डायरेक्टर. यस, सी 2001 and the side leg is becoming lesser now, 1501. ऐसा नो. तो वेस्टीज में साइड लेग कंपनी ने क्यों बनाया? कंपनी ने, why did company put something called side leg? साइड लेग कंपनी रखती नहीं ना, तो लोग खाली एक ही लेग में खुश रह जाते. ऐसा नो. So people wouldn't have activated the new incomes, they would have been happy with something called as bronze director bonus only. लोग कभी LOB सोचते नहीं थे, कभी बिजनेस बिल्डिंग बोनस, ट्रैवल फंड, कार फंड, हाउस फंड कभी एक्टिवेट नहीं होता. उनका चेक खाली 5,000 से लेकर 10,000 के बीच में हमेशा बनता रहता. Since company is pushing you to become crown director, कंपनी चाहती है कि आप सारे इनकम आपके एक्टिवेट हो, कंपनी चाहती है आप क्राउन बनो, कंपनी चाहती हो कि आप लाखों रुपए अर्न करो. आप कंपनी ने क्या किया? 1801 साइड लेग डाल दिया. तो एटलीस्ट आप एक लेग के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं रहोगे, एक लेग के साथ साथ आप सेकंड थर्ड लेग भी आप चालू करोगे. अब आप चालू ही नहीं किया, आपका चेक